Welcome to my monthly real estate market report, February 2026. This is Abul, your trusted real estate broker. Greater Toronto area resale housing market conditions tightened in February 2026 compared to February 2025. While sales were down year over year, new listings declined by a greater annual rate. If new listings continue to trend lower through the spring, competition between the home buyers will increase, supporting home prices and the recovery in sales. As per TREB report, 100,000 buyers holding off on making a home purchase. Wow, buyers are waiting for selling prices to level off and for positive news on the trade front. GTA Realtors reported 3,868 home sales through TREB MLS system in February 2026, down by 6.3% compared to February 2025. New listings entered into the MLS system amounted to the 10,700, down by 17% year over year. Average selling price at $1,008,000 was down by 7.1% compared to February 2025. Given today's geopolitical uncertainty in the Middle East, Canada should reconsider the foreign buyer ban. In my opinion, opening the market to the international buyers could bring the capital into the country and will provide support to the real estate sector during a challenging time. In my opinion, opening the market to the international buyers could bring the capital into the country and will provide support to the real estate sector during a challenging time. Let's discuss the municipalities now. City of Mississauga. 1,771 homes were available for sale and 341 homes sold, giving us an absorption rate of 19% with over 5 months of inventory. This indicates a more balanced market with buyers having more choices and negotiating power. City of Brampton. We had 1,588 homes available and 309 homes sold, giving us an absorption rate of about 19% with around 5 months of inventory. As I mentioned in my last video, the numbers of Mississauga and Brampton are almost identical. Town of Milton. We had 379 homes on the market for sale and 79 homes sold, which brings an absorption rate to about 20%. That means the market currently has 5 months of inventory. Town of Oakville. Let's see how the inventory changed from January to February in Town of Oakville. 156 homes sold and 898 homes were available for sale, giving us an absorption rate of 17%. That's better than the January's 13%. Showing that inventory is starting to decline. Good news for the sellers. Whether it's a 20% absorption rate in Milton or the improving sellers conditions we are seeing in the Oakville, the GTA market is at a turning point. Don't wait for the positive news to hit the front page. By then, competition will already be back. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, let's discuss your home ownership plan with the confidence. I'm Abul, your partner in GTA Real Estate. Catch you later.